Welcome back to our phonics class with teacher Louise
and teacher Nook.
This period we will be learning the sound of this letter, and this letter is letter U. The sound of letter U is like an umbrella, okay? And the action for this sound or letter is like opening an umbrella, so we go umbrella, okay? All right, let's do that one. Let's do the sound first, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, and then the action. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so umbrella. Okay? All right. So, Teacher Nook has a brain gym for us.
Okay, before we start learning, we'll do some brain gym นะคะ เป็นการประสานกันระหว่างมือของเด็กๆกับตานะคะ วันนี้เราจะทำตัว O 2 ตัวนะคะ ติดกันคล้ายๆเลข 8 เหมือนกัน แต่คราวนี้เราจะใช้นิ้วโป้งนะคะ Put your thumbs up 2 มือเลยนะคะ เหยียดไปด้านหน้าให้ตึงนะคะ แล้วก็หมุนนิ้วโป้งทั้ง 2 นิ้วนะคะ เป็นวงกลม วงกลมของเราจะติดกัน เพราะฉะนั้นจะกลายเป็นเหมือนเลข 8 นะคะ โอเค let's do together 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. You can do it.
Okay, so I think after the brain gym, teacher, they're ready to learn. Okay, so let's listen to our letter U song. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. One more time. Listen. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Okay, so the action for that song is up go umbrellas, okay? So you can do this one to make it into an umbrella. All right, so what picture is this?
Umbrella.
Okay, so this picture is an umbrella, okay? Repeat after teacher, umbrella.
Umbrella.
Okay, and then this picture, you know this one already. What is it?
Rain.
Okay, so you know this picture already. It's rain, okay, rain. All right, so are you ready to learn the song? Yes, this is quite an easy song, okay? Are you ready to learn? Okay, very good. So this one we will make the U sound, which is, what is it? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, and then you say up. Up. Very good. Up go. Up go umbrellas. Okay, so this is an umbrella. So up go umbrellas. Okay, let's do it from here. And at the same time, when you see this one, you will do the action. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Up go umbrellas. Okay, I want to listen to you this time. Okay, teacher will not say anything. I want to listen to you. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I want more energy. Okay, let's do it more. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Don't forget your letter S, umbrellas.
Umbrellas.
Very good. And then you will say this one for how many times? Look at that. How many times? 3 times. So you will say up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas. And then this one we will read it. Okay, we learn this one first. Okay, when it starts. When it starts to rain. Okay, again, I want to listen to you. Can you do it? 1, 2, 3, go.
When it starts to rain.
Oh, don't forget we can see a letter S here. Very good. Let's do it again. Starts. 1, 2, 3, go. When it.
starts to rain.
Okay, so can we say this one from the top to the word rain? Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. When it starts to rain. Okay, so that is the whole song. Are you ready to sing it again?
Yes.
Okay, this time I want to listen to you, make your voice louder, okay? All right, so let's sing the song. And don't forget to do the action. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. When it starts to rain. One more time, the rain action, okay? Rain is like this, okay? Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. When it starts to rain. Okay, so that was our letter U song. Okay, so now I want you to look at teacher will sit, okay? And this time I want you to look at the big book, okay? Look at the big book. And what letter is this?
U.
What letter is this?
U.
U. It's a U, letter U. And the sound of letter U is? Okay, 3 times. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Okay, so now, before we start our story, who can tell me what are the pictures that you can see on this page? Okay, yes. There's a sun. Okay, there's a sun, but what do you think? How's the weather?
Rain.
Oh, the weather is rainy. It's rainy. Repeat after teacher. It's rainy.
It's raining.
Okay, so it's rainy. But the sun is there, but it's being covered. It's covered by, what do you call this one?
Cloud.
Again? Clouds. So the one that is covering the sun, these are called clouds. Okay, repeat after teacher. Clouds.
Cloud.
Clouds.
Cloud.
Very good. What else? Yes. Oh, yes. The boy and the girl, they are holding umbrellas. Okay, so what color is this umbrella? White and red umbrella. Okay, so this is a white and red umbrella. Okay, so this is an umbrella. Can you repeat after teacher? Umbrella.
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 Very good. What else? Yes. Oh, of course. You can see a boy and a girl. Okay, what else? Oh, the snake is here again. Okay, so it's what color is the snake? What color is this snake? Red. It's a red snake. Okay, yes? There are flowers. There's a blue flower. What else? And what is it? What color is this flower? It's an orange flower and pink flower.
Very good.
Okay. So now, Teacher Nook, I think they're ready to listen to a short story, okay, about the children here. All right. So one day, it was rainy. Okay, it was rainy. So the boy and the girl still wanted to play. They still wanted to play. So when they look outside, it's raining already. Okay, so they don't want to get wet. Okay, they don't want to get wet, but still want to play. Okay, just like you sometimes, you go out and you want to play, but it's difficult to play because it is raining. It's raining. Okay, it's raining. So they decided, I don't want to get wet. I will put on my boots. Okay, repeat after teacher. Boots.
boots
Boots. Okay, this the black boots, and this one yellow boots. Okay, and then they also took out their what? Umbrellas. So the two children took out their umbrellas. The girl got her blue, and the boy got his white and red umbrella. So they were able to go out of the house and they were able to play. While they were playing, they were saying something while they're doing the action. What's that? Okay, so up go umbrellas. They were saying that. Oh, and they enjoyed playing a lot. They didn't get wet because they have their umbrella, and they were wearing their boots. And they played on the puddle. Okay, these are what we call puddles. Okay, repeat after teacher. Puddle.
puddles
Puddle.
Very
Okay,
good.
so there are puddles here. Okay, so they enjoyed playing outside in the rain. All right. Okay, so I guess we're ready to learn some words that starts with the letter U. And U has the sound. Oh, again, I want to hear you. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. So the U sound. Okay. All right. So once again, this is letter U, and the sound of letter U is ah. Okay. And this is a picture of an umbrella. Umbrella has the sound umbrella. Okay. So let's look at the pictures. If you know, you can tell teacher. You can raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay. The first picture is a picture of a house. Okay. But we call this kind of house a hut. Okay. Hut. Hot. Not hot. Okay. Hot is like very hot. But this one is a hut. Okay. Hut. Okay. So this is a hut. Next, what is this? A hut. Okay. Hut. Next. Oh, what is the object? Wait. Oh, very good. The object that you can see under, what is it? It's a ball. Okay. So the red object that you can see under the table is a ball. And the color of the ball is red. The color of the ball is red. It's a red ball. The red ball is under. If this is the table and this is the red ball is under the table. So under. You can see the arrow under. Under. Okay? Good. Next. Okay, we have learned this one from our story. What is it? Puddle. Okay, repeat after teacher. Puddle. Puddle. Oh, the boy with the boots, he is playing with a puddle on the puddle. Oh, you think he got wet? No, because he was wearing his boots. What color are his boots? Yellow boots. But this one is called a puddle. Repeat after teacher. Puddle.
puddle
Again, one more time. Puddle.
puddle
Okay, so if it rains hard and you will see some water there, it's called puddle. Okay. Next. Oh, this one is it's a cup, but there's a specific name for this one. It's called a mug. Okay. Mug. Okay, mug. You drink your hot chocolate in the morning with your mug. Okay, this is a mug. Okay. Next. Oh, what is it? Bus. So it doesn't start with the letter U, but it has a U sound. Okay, starts with the letter B. But it's followed, the letter B is followed by the letter U sound. Bus. Okay. So this is a bus. Okay. The bus takes you from your home to your where? To your school. Okay. So this is a bus. Okay. Next. Oh, I guess these are all the words. Okay. So let's read this one. Umbrella.
umbrella
Umbrella.
umbrella
Let's try to check if you can still remember the words, okay? What picture is this? What about this? A hut. This one? Mug. This one? Puddle. And this is a bus. Okay. So let's review our words. So you can, the white one, what letter is that? U. And the sound of U is? Okay, so bus. This one, let's start. Umbrella. Under. This one is a hut. Okay, hut. Hut. Okay. Next, can you read this one? 1, 2. Let's do hut. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
hut
Very good. And then puddle. Okay, puddle. 1, 2, 3, go. Puddle.
puddle
So you just say puddle.
puddle
Again, 1, 2, 3, go. Puddle. Very good. This one, mug. Mug. Okay, you know the sounds of these one already. Can you do mug? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, this is a mug. A mug you can use to drink your hot chocolate. Teacher Nook and Teacher Louise can drink our coffee with this mug. Okay, and the last one is a bus. Okay, so bus also has the sound. Okay, let's read. Umbrella. Under. Hut. Puddle. Mug. Bus. Okay, so all of these words has the U or sound. All right.
before we start our fun activity teacher
Yes. Oh, I'm
Teacher,
excited for that one, Teacher Nook.
Yes, but before we start, so you have to be able to blend the sound first, so you can write the word. All right? We will practice blending sound. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's blend together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, no power, teacher.
Again, I want to hear you more loud. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Good.
1, 2, 3, go. Next one. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Next one. 1, 2, 3, go. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, next time let's change to be Again, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, I want to hear them more, teacher. Please make your voice louder, okay? I want to hear you more louder. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Again, not t. Okay, it's t. 1, 2, 3, go. Very
Okay,
good.
let's
Better.
see. 1, 2, 3, go. And one more. Okay, very good. Now I think they are ready for the activity. Okay.
So we'll be making the graphic organizer.
We have what is it? Yes, pop up activity นะคะ เป็นกิจกรรม pop up นะคะ เด็กๆปิดแบบนี้มันก็แบนเรียบแบบนี้พอเปิดออกมา we have what is it? umbrella look at this letter นะคะร่มตัวนี้นะคะใช้กระดาษพับนะคะแต่ว่ามีความพิเศษก็คือด้านบนมีคำศัพท์อยู่ตรงนี้นะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะพับกระดาษพับซ้ายขวาพับคว่ำลงนะคะแล้วก็ออกมาเป็นพับอีกครั้งหนึ่งนะคะให้มันเป็นครึ่งแบบนี้นะคะทิเชอร์จะติดกาวตรงกลางให้นะคะแล้วเด็กๆรอฟังทิเชอร์ลุยส์จะบอกเช่น number one sun ก็เขียนคำศัพท์ตรงนี้นะคะพลิกมาคำที่สองนะคะเขียนไปฟังนะคะแล้วเขียนไปจนได้คำศัพท์แบบนี้นะคะเวลาเราเปิดออกมาก็จะมีคำศัพท์เต็มตรงนี้นะคะกิจกรรมตรงนี้เด็กๆจะได้ลงมือทำเองนะคะเขียนคำศัพท์เองแล้วก็ได้ฝึกพับกระดาษนะคะให้เท่าๆกันนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะลงมือทำพร้อมกันนะคะโอเคนะคะ Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay,
Very
they're
good.
ready also.
Okay, go sit down at your seat. เด็กๆคะวิธีการพับกระดาษนะคะเห็นไหมคะขอบด้านบนนะคะแล้วเราก็จะกลับหลังนะคะแล้วก็วางบนโต๊ะนะคะพับไปให้เท่ากับขนาดแรกนะคะแบบนี้นะคะตอนนี้ได้มา2ละเสร็จแล้วกลับด้านอีกครั้งหนึ่งนะคะพับลงไปให้เท่าๆกันนะคะใช้มือของเด็กๆเนี่ยรีดกระดาษให้เรียบนะคะพับไปเรื่อยๆจนสุดกระดาษแล้วจะเหลือปลายมันนิดนึงไม่เป็นไรนะคะโอเคนะคะลงมือทำเลยค่ะ
Right, so on the other side, it's going to be
เวลาพับกระดาษนะคะพับลงด้านนี้กลับด้านหลังพับลงกลับอีกด้านหนึ่งพับนะคะกลับอีกด้านหนึ่ง
fold it
พับ
outside,
นะคะ
and then fold it again. Good.
กลับด้านพับลงจริงๆเราสามารถทำเป็นกิจกรรมพัดได้นะคะแบบนี้เขียนคำศัพท์ลงไปก็ได้นะคะเราจะได้กราฟิกออร์แกไนเซอร์ที่เป็นรูปพัดนะคะแต่วันนี้เราจะทำพิเศษมากกว่านั้นนะคะเราจะเอาพัดเนี่ยมาพับครึ่งนะคะพับครึ่งแบบนี้เดี๋ยวที่เชอร์จะเดินไปติดกาวตรงนี้ให้นะคะเดี๋ยวจะกลายเป็นล่มนะคะ
Yes, and fold it.
สวยนะคะ
So does everyone have their umbrellas already? Okay. So I hope you're also almost done making your umbrella.
Okay ready teacher
Okay.
Are you ready
Okay, so right, this time I want you to get your pencil and then you will listen to teacher. Okay, Teacher Louise will dictate the words, the letter sounds, and you will write the word, okay, on the piece of paper that you made.
Teacher, first here or here?
Inside here. Inside, yes, inside, yes. Inside. Okay. Inside, here. So you can write the words here when you hear the sound. You can write it here, okay? Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Very good. I hope you're ready too, okay? Let's do it. Listen very carefully. The first word is s, sun. S, sun. You can look at our wall chart.
เด็กๆอย่าลืมเขียนคำศัพท์ตัวโตๆนะคะเรามีพื้นที่อยู่พอประมาณนะคะถ้าเขียนตัวเล็กเกินไปเดี๋ยวจะมองเห็นไม่ชัดนะคะ
So what is the first word that you have written? What did you hear?
Sun.
Sun. Okay, it's a sun. Next. Listen to teacher. G. G. Ah. Gun. G. Ah. Gun. It's a gun. So word number 2 is what? What is it?
Gun.
Very good. Gun. Not yet. You can draw later. You can draw later, but now I just want you to listen first, okay? Next. Listen. Nut. 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 Okay, are you ready for the next word? Okay, listen very carefully. Next one is hut. Hut. Okay. Next one, this time I want you to listen to teacher because this sound has 2 letters, right? Remember? It has a k and the k, but you know already which one is the k and the k. You know what sound is it, okay? So I want you to look at teacher. This is where actions are important, okay? Okay, so this one, listen and look. K. K. Cut. Okay. Cut.
You can check your answer here.
Class, do you remember? What is this? What is this? What letter is this? K. But this one is C. It's k, letter C. But this one is letter K. It's the same sound, different. Next. Oh. Okay, this one, the next one is g. Hug. Hug. Okay, so g. Hug. Hug. You can hug your mom, your dad. Hug. All right? Finish? Very good. Okay. I think 3 more. 2 more? Okay, 2 more words. Okay. Next, listen. Run. Run.
The last one.
Oh, this is the last one.
It's
teacher.
okay if you can write or.
If there is no space anymore, that's okay. It's okay. Some still have space. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So what are we going to do next?
เด็กๆ คะ เดี๋ยวเราจะทำร่วมกันนะคะ หลังจากที่เราเขียนคำศัพท์เสร็จแล้วเนี่ยทิเชอร์มีกระดาษ สีขาวนะคะให้1แผ่นนะคะเราพับครึ่งนะคะเสร็จแล้วเราจะเอาด้านที่เป็นครึ่งตรงกลางของร่มของเราด้านบนเนี่ยวางไปนะคะแต่ว่าให้เช็คดีๆว่าด้านที่มีตัวอักษรเนี่ยเราอยากจะเอาไว้อ่านแล้วก็เอาไว้ด้านนอกนะคะให้หันขึ้นด้านนอกของกระดาษแบบนี้นะคะเห็นไหมคะหันด้านบนแบบนี้นะคะเดี๋ยวที่เชอร์จะไปติดกาวให้ซ้ายและขวาของร่มนะคะติดกาวแบบนี้เปิดออกมาจะเป็นลักษณะแบบนี้นะคะที่เชอร์ต้องการร่มเด็กๆอาจจะวาดต่อเติมมีคันร่มอยู่ด้านตรงนี้แล้วก็มีคนถือร่มอยู่and when you use the umbrella how's the weather it's maybe it's rainy or maybe it's sunny อาจจะวาดเป็น rainy หรือว่า sunny ก็ได้นะคะโอเคนะคะลงมือทำเลยค่ะ
Here, Namping.
That's okay.
Who's this? Namping. Yes, you can make a design in front also. Let me see. Wow. Good job. You can write umbrella.
เด็กๆถ้าติดด้านบนร่มเสร็จแล้วลงมือตกแต่งand don't forget to write letter U big letter and small letter
Okay, and you can decorate it with the rain also. Rain and then your umbrella handle. Okay, and then the word you can write umbrella as well. Umbrella. So you can use your coloring materials, your colored pencils to decorate the white paper. You cannot just draw rain, you can also draw sun because you can use umbrella if it's sunny. Okay, the sun, it's hot, so you can use your umbrella. Kalpan, what color is your umbrella? Again, louder, I can't hear you. Green, very good. What about Namping? What is purple? And what about Nene? What color is your umbrella? Pink. And Pumes, what is the color of your umbrella?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Good job เด็กๆวันนี้สนุกใช่ไหมคะแทนที่เราจะเขียนคำศัพท์บนกระดาษ1แผ่นนะคะเราก็เปลี่ยนรูปแบบมาเขียนบนกระดาษสีสันสวยๆนะคะแล้วก็ทำเป็นรูปพัดนะคะทำให้เด็กๆสามารถเชื่อมโยงระหว่างตัว U กับ umbrella look at Jerry one here got a very colorful umbrella สีสันสดใสนะคะเด็กๆตกแต่งให้สวยงามนะคะตามจินตนาการได้เลยค่ะ
Drawing. Okay, so put down your pencils now, and then I want you to look at and listen and look at the board. Okay, we will review the words that we have learned in this period or today. Okay, so the first word, let's read. 1, 2, 3, go. Umbrella. Oh, very good. What about this one? Paddle. This one? Hat. This one? Good job. Okay, so these words have the sound of the letter U. And what is that sound? Very good. Can we do the action? And let's do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Okay, you did a good job. Very good. I hope you enjoy the class and our activities. And thank you so much. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Teacher Nook and
Thank you. Let's say goodbye to our friends. Bye.